Alright, dude. I'm under the map!
That squealed though.
That's the suck us.
Oh, by the way, that Washington Post guy sucked. I mean, he hacked.
He hack?
Yeah, he
Oh, hack.
hacks. Like.
I'm flying on my screen.
No, I just
stupid or something.
Still
Jeez.
are you dead? Oh, no,
Well, I'm
Bunny-
back.
Penguin, do you have a lot of blocks or no?
Yes.
Can I add some?
You're Enderman. I'm joking.
I literally
Here, I'm
put
joking.
I got a stack in my out of my E chest, and then I just closed. I put my E chest in my E chest, but then taking the rest of them out.
Yeah, makes sense. Oh.
I'm planning on it.
Can somebody come over here to the sky base
No.
with me? So
But you didn't even hit him yet.
I
What do you
did.
mean? No.
I hit him once, but I didn't get assist.
I literally recorded that. You didn't hit him at all.
Yes, I did.
could, but it's hard.
I'm teleporting. Yay.
Fun game.
So make sure not to.
Wait, oh, I see you guys. I'm coming. Oh, no, it's you, y'all.
I'm dead.
Yo, get out.
Holy frick, bro.
No, green's not gonna be a problem right now, too.
Yeah, we just gotta. I mean, we could take green if we had to down the line if we have enough people. It's just freaking red. Yellow's at 51 HP.
Yeah.
Alright,
No, he's not.
Press 5.
why is this green here?
I don't fucking know. Are we just killing him?
Okay, I guess because he's just in
I
our
guess
way.
we're killing him.
He's just in our way. He's been following
Yeah.
us. I don't know what he was doing.
Okay. I guess he thought we were on his team or something.
Yeah, exactly.
I thought the greens were on our team earlier. I ran to them.
Oh!
Red.
Red, dip
Yeah,
out of
go.
that. Go for him, go for Washington.
Yeah.
He's so low. And he potted already.
We're shooting acidic.
Nice.
Just
Not trying to fight a bomb, man.
finals, but Penguin. Yeah, I get that kill, Penguin.
14.
Just don't get jumped. I only have one final.
Above. Oh shit, right here.
Is this Megan?
No, it's
She-
Tenor.
Oh.
Oh
he's
fuck, I'm
literally
off.
cheating. Oh.
I just want to assist, just kill.
Okay.
What team are you killing?
Oh wait. Oh wait, he doesn't have pants. I'm gonna hit him off. You can't
No,
kill.
just
He
kill,
doesn't
just
die.
Yep.
Actually,
They're gonna go for us. I mean, we're the strongest
just
team.
kill him. Honestly,
Idiot.
just fucking kill.
Literally, fucking idiot.
Watch out. The other one's behind us, but I don't have
Actually,
TP yet.
bitch, I
I'm
don't
too
give a
hit.
fuck.
Just kill him. Just target him to the edge of the fucking roof. Just kill this fucker.
He's coming back.
Yeah, exactly. These guys are so annoying.
They're so
Come,
damn bad.
Come,
too.
front red, front blue.
I'm killing this
Blow
guy. I
them.
don't give a fuck.
They're honestly so annoying. He tried to chuck me twice, like that.
He's so bad.
Oh
like he's
my
so
God.
terrible. He potted. Two
Good.
hits for
Fuck
TP.
him. No. Okay, just stop now.
He's on 19, 17.
Who's telling you all this?
Right
Just
here,
did.
Died.
right here, come.
Fallon's at. Detective's dead.
This guy has like no final cell, but fuck.
Literally.
Kill
I
this guy.
ran out of hunger.
What's he at? Oh, he's
Low.
at 3?
2, 1.
I shot him.
Okay, there.
Nice.
Good job. Just here, or Fallon.
Fallon behind.
Kill.
You want to
let's-
turn?
51 seconds.
We gotta just kill him. I fucked him so he can't block.
Nowhere close.
The blue's here.
You got
We'll
him.
get the blue.
I hit Tanner! Fallon! He's
Yeah.
on 2! I'm getting killed.
I'll get Fallon.
Do it.
I'm
He
killing
spotted.
David.
Good job.
I ran out of sprint again.
I'll go. I have no sprint either.
Our unarmored towards killing Foul.
I have no sprint. Fuck.
He TP'd to you. Jump, jump, Penguin, jump.
No, I'm good.
Okay, well, I don't think we win.
Holy shit! I keep running out.
Yeah, like, literally. I would have killed Fallon
Delete,
this
please.
game. Oh, we
We
won.
won.
Yeah.
GG, boys.
How did we win?